Welcome to Engine Evolution, where we take you on a thrilling ride through the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the luxurious yet versatile BMW X3. A car that combines power, performance and practicality in one exceptional package. From the bold kidney grille to the sharp LED headlights, the BMW X3 screams sophistication. With its muscular lines and athletic stance, it's clear, this SUV isn't just about looks, it's built for action. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure luxury. The X3's cabin is crafted with premium materials, featuring plush leather seats, a spacious layout, and the iconic BMW iDrive system. The 12.3-inch touchscreen is intuitive, loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even voice-activated controls. This isn't just a car, it's a tech haven on wheels. Under the hood, the BMW X3 doesn't disappoint. Choose between the efficient 2.0L turbocharged inline-4 or the thrilling M40i with a 3.0L turbocharged inline-6 delivering 382 horsepower. With precise handling and all-wheel drive capability, this SUV dominates both the city streets and off-road trails. And when it comes to safety, BMW has you covered. The X3 boasts advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. It's designed to keep you and your passengers secure on every journey. Looking for efficiency? The X3 delivers an impressive 25 mpg city and 29 mpg highway, making it a solid choice in its class. Plus, it offers hybrid options for those looking to go green. So, whether you're an adventure seeker, a tech lover, or someone who craves a mix of performance and luxury, the BMW X3 is a game-changer. Ready to experience evolution in motion? Subscribe to Engine Evolution for more in-depth car reviews, and let us guide your next ride.